Hello, my name is Emma. Welcome to Mr. Perfect English Podcasts.
Hello, my name is David. Like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. Have you ever gone to a supermarket and didn't know what to say in English? Don't worry. In this lesson, we'll help you speak confidently from finding products to paying at the counter. Let's go shopping together in English.
Hi everyone. Welcome back to Mr. Perfect English, your friendly place to learn real English with a smile.
Today's topic is English conversation at the supermarket. We'll learn useful phrases, real-life dialogues, and simple vocabulary to help you speak naturally while shopping. So grab your shopping bag and let's start learning.
Let's begin with some easy words you'll hear in a supermarket. I'll say them slowly. Repeat after me. Trolley, a big basket on wheels. Basket, a small container for shopping. Aisle, a row in the supermarket. Cashier, the person at the counter.
Receipt, a paper that shows what you bought. Shelf, a flat space where items are kept. Checkout counter, the place where you pay. Frozen food, food kept in the freezer. Discount, a lower price. Customer, the person who buys things. Repeat after me. Basket, aisle. Cashier, receipt. Discount. Excellent.
Hello there. Welcome to Fresh Mart. Can I help you? Yes, please. I'm looking for the fruit section. It's right over there next to the dairy aisle. Oh, thank you so much. You're welcome. Have a great shopping day.
Let's learn. Can I help you? Used by staff. I'm looking for. Used by customers. Mini grammar tip. Use I'm looking for plus thing when searching for something. Example.
I'm looking for bread. I'm looking for rice. A practice time. Repeat after me. I'm looking for the fruit section. I'm looking for some milk. I'm looking for a basket. Nights Yob.
Customer. Excuse me, where can I find the sugar? Employee. Sugar is in aisle number 5. Customer. Thank you. And where is the coffee? Employee. It's just next to the sugar shelf. Useful phrases. Where can I find? It's in aisle number. Next to the. Is repeat after me. Where can I find pasta? It's in aisle 7, next to the biscuits. Great pronunciation.
Customer. Hi, I can't find the butter. Can you help me? Employee. Of course. The butter is in the dairy section. Customer. Oh, I see it now. Thank you. Employee. No problem. Have a nice day.
Grammar tip. Use can you help me when you need assistance. Example. Can you help me find the rice? Can you help me carry this? Practice. Repeat after me. Can you help me, please? Where is the dairy section? Awesome. You sound natural.
Customer 1. Excuse me, are these apples fresh? Customer 2. Yes, they look fresh. I bought them last week too. Customer 1. Great, I'll take some. Customer 2. Good choice.
Useful phrases. Are these fresh? They look fresh. Good choice. 2. Practice with me. Are these bananas fresh? Yes, they look fresh. Good choice. Fantastic.
Cashier. Hello, did you find everything okay? Customer. Yes, thank you. Cashier. Do you have a loyalty card? Customer. No, I don't. Cashier. Would you like a bag?
Customer. Yes, please. Cashier. That'll be $10, please. Customer. Here you go. Cashier. Thank you. Here's your receipt. Have a nice day. Customer. Thanks. You too. Useful phrases.
Did you find everything okay? Would you like a bag? Here's your receipt. I repeat after me. Yes, thank you. No, I don't. Would you like a bag? Have a nice day. Excellent work.
Let's talk about polite questions. When you talk to store employees, be polite. Instead of saying, "Where is milk?"
Say, could you tell me where the milk is? Or, can you help me find the milk? It sounds much friendlier and more natural.
Repeat after me. Could you tell me where the bread is? Can you help me find the butter? Thank you very much. You're doing great.
Let's practice. I'll ask a question, and you answer after a pause. Can I help you? You say, yes, I'm looking for apples. 2H. Where is the rice? You say, it's in aisle number 6.
Would you like a bag? You say, yes, please. Seed. Here's your receipt. You say, thank you. Fantastic.
Let's quickly review today's lesson. Vocabulary. Trolley, basket, aisle, cashier, receipt, discount. Phrases and number and 25.
I'm looking for, where can I find? Can you help me please? Would you like a bag? Here's your receipt.
Grammar tip. Be polite, use could you or can you. Real life practice. You can now easily talk at the supermarket from entering to paying. Well done, my English shopper.
And that's it for today's lesson, English conversation at the supermarket. Now you can shop confidently anywhere in the world using simple English.
If you enjoyed learning with me, don't forget to like this video, comment "I love English shopping" below, and subscribe to Mr. Perfect English for more fun English conversations every week.
Keep smiling, keep practicing, and remember, every small step makes your English stronger.
See you in the next video. Bye for now.